Proper subset. Let capital A and capital B be two sets if capital A is a subset of capital B. Okay, consider two set capital A and capital B. Okay, if capital A is a subset of capital B and capital A not equal to capital B, then A is called a proper subset of capital B, and we can write A is a proper subset of capital B. Okay, or otherwise it is called as A is contained in capital B. Okay, for example, consider a set capital A equal to 1 to 5 and capital B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all elements in capital A is present in capital B. Okay, capital A contains 1, 2, 5. Okay, all elements are exits in B also. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Okay, then A is a such kind of sets are called proper subset. Okay, then A is a proper subset of capital B. Okay, but remember A and B are not equal sets. Okay, so the cardinality should not be equal. Okay, although okay, so proper subset, for proper subset A should not be equal to capital B. Okay, set capital A should not be equal to capital B. Okay, so let capital A and capital B be two sets if A is a subset of capital B and capital A not equal to capital B, then capital A is a proper subset of capital B. Okay, next we are going to see about power set. Okay, the definition for power set is the set of all subsets of a set capital A is called the power set of capital A. It is denoted by P of A. Okay, the set of all the subsets of set capital A is called power set of capital A. It is denoted by P of A. Okay, so power set means power set P of A equal to subsets of set A. Okay, so to find the power set of set A, what we have to do is P of A equal to subset of capital A. We have to find the value of subsets of capital A and enclose it with the in the brace. Okay, so P of A equal to subsets of A within the brace. Okay, so the set of all the subsets of set capital A is called the power set of capital A. It is denoted by P of A. Okay, for example, consider a set if capital A equal to 2, 3, then find the power set of A. Okay, we have to find the power set of A. Before that, to find the power set, first we have to write the subsets. Okay, we have to find the subset. First step is to find the subset. Second step, enclose the subset within the brace. Okay, so first we are going, the given set is capital A equal to 2, 3. Okay, this is the given set. We have to find the subsets of the given set. The subset of the given set are 5. Okay, for all set, empty set or void set or null set is a subset. Okay, so pi is one of the subset, 2 is one of the subset, 3 is one of the subset, and 2, 3 is the subset. So totally we have 4 subset for set A equal to 2, 3. Okay, so we have calculated the subset of set A. The second step is the power set of capital A is equal to, what we have to do is we have to enclose the subsets that we have calculated in the step 1 within the brace. Okay, so within the brace we are enclosing the subsets which we have calculated. So pi 2 we have to enclose the subsets we have calculated. Okay, pi 2 3 2 comma 3. Okay, so power set of capital A equal to P of A equal to pi 2 3 2 comma 3. Okay, so two important properties of set. Okay, if n of A equal to m, then n of P of A equal to 2 power m. Okay, if n of A equal to m, the number of elements in set A is m, then n of P of A equal to 2 power m. Okay, so the second property is the number of proper subsets of a set A is n of P of A minus n of P of A minus 1. Okay, which means n of P of A is 2 power m minus 1. Okay, next we are going to see a problem which is based on finding the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets. Okay, number of subsets and the number of proper subsets. So given set is, find the number of subsets and the number of proper subset of a set capital X equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay, so given first write down the given set capital X equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Okay, so number of elements in set n of x equal to m equal to 6. Okay, number of element n of x equal to 6. So n of x equal to 6. So number of subsets n of p of x equal to 2 power m. Okay, the number of subsets n of p of x equal to 2 power m. So 2 power 6. So the value of 2 power 6 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here also 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 into 8, 64. So 2 power 6, the value of 2 power 6 is 64. Okay, so the number of subsets for the given set is 64. The number of proper subset is equal to n of p of x minus 1. N of p of x already we have calculated in the previous step, which is equal to 64. So 64 minus 1. So 64 minus 1 equal to 63. Okay.